Hello, and welcome. In this video, I am going to be showing you all about how I achieved these large twists. Stay tuned if you're interested. For this hairstyle, I used the Freetress Africana Braid, and because she wanted the twists to be long, we didn't cut the hair. However, I had to tease the ends of the hair to get that feathered look. So I just took the hair out of the pack and went ahead to set the hair. And I can't remember, exactly what hair color this was. But hopefully, if you follow the link I will leave down below, you should be able to see it as part of the selection. Okay, so I just pulled sections of the hair out, and then I went ahead and combed out the hair just to, take out any knots that the hair may have. And this is how the hair is looking. Pretty nice tips. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning the hair. So what I did was I parted the hair from one ear to the next in a straight line. And just a little tip here, in order for your tips to be a little bit straighter, neater, clearer, just add a little bit of styling jam, which is what I'm doing here. This is to tame the flyaways. Wool up. Just wait a minute. So now this is where I learned this third tip the hard way. So what I was doing was I was trying to part this section right here into four and it just was not going. The triangles, the last triangle wasn't a triangle. So, just as a little tip, part that first section of hair at the very nape of the head, part it into 3 triangles. Don't try and do 4 triangles. I don't know about 5 triangles, but I know 3 for sure works. So this is for somebody out there. If it's your first time doing the triangular part it into 3 sections. That first section of hair at the nape of the head, part it into 3 sections. All right. Okay, so my technique was to braid the bottom normally, like the extension and the hair normally starting out, and then I would then split that third piece of hair into two and then twist the two strands I am left with and cross them over. So I would twist and over, twist and cross over, twist and cross over. And I added more jam, you know, just to make the twist a little neater. So I'd braid the bottom, the extension and the hair together. And then I split that third piece into two. And then the two strands I'm left with, I twist and cross over. Twist and cross over. And then I dip the hair into hot water to seal the ends, and added some finishing touches. But if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, engage. Let's keep the conversation going. If you have any more tips to give, please don't hesitate to share. Let's help each other out and be great. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.